All right, let's do cinematic portraits using the Nanlite wand. All right, everybody, I'm Sal Sincata. Today, we are gonna do cinematic portraits using two Nanlite wands. I'm gonna use one as a main light, and then one is kind of an edge color light. So let's start with what makes for cinematic portraits. Everybody's gonna have a different take on this. This is my take on it. Don't come for me in the comments, but here's what I think. I want layers in the shot, right? So we're not talking about video production. That might be a little bit different. Call it eye candy, things like that. When it comes to photography, what I don't want is in a dark room to have the background go completely black. But I also don't want it to be the same exposure as our subject, because then everybody gets lost in the frame. So I want the scene to be a little bit darker, but I want some light in the background, whether we're adding that light or it's more practicals, meaning the lighting that's already in the room. And then I want to illuminate my subject with a shallow depth of field. To me, that gives me more of a cinematic look and feel. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's talk what we're shooting with right now. Canon EOS R5 Mark II, 2870. I'm probably gonna be photographing this at f2 because I don't want any of that background noise in the frame. I want everything to go a little bit blurry. And we're gonna use the Nanlite wand to make this, to create the light. So real small footprint, and not only can we control color temperature from through Kelvin, but we can also control RGB. So I'm thinking, as I look in the room behind me, we're gonna be in a bar. I've got Alana, she's in a beautiful red dress. So I wanna create that kind of mood in there. So we'll see what it looks like with the ambient and 5500, but then I might add a little bit of red light to match the red dress she's in. So let's go create some portraits. All right, go to the same place. It's all right, she's gonna be a key grip here at some point. And now lift it up high. There we go. Looking at me in the frame. Yeah, right there, guys, beautiful. Yep, Alana, you're killing it, dude. Yeah, you do model for me, you do your thing. Yeah, you're being flirty. Be flirty, Alana. Yeah. Beautiful. Square up, put that left hand over your wrist. Yeah, right there. Chin this way, just a dinch, right there. Gorgeous, right there, 1, 2. Can you sit up a little bigger for me? Yeah, I like that. And then give me the asymmetry. There we go. What if you're looking, yeah, eye contact now? A little cutesy. Love that, Alana, beautiful. Okay, hang tight. Now guys, what I'm gonna do on camera, because I don't feel like changing my lens, is inside most of these digital cameras, they have a digital zoom. So I'm zooming to 1.6. So I'm going from 70 millimeter to probably like 110, something like that. And it's gonna give me a little more compression here. So here we go. Love that, Alana. Beautiful, yes. Keep your face and everything there, eyes up this way. Yeah, oh, I love that. Stay there, stay there. Let me get some horizontal of that. Eye contact. Love that. Drop that left hand off your face now. Love that too. Square up your face to me just a little bit more right there. Good, last few. Yes, ooh, I like where this is going. Killer. All right, I think that's a wrap. We don't have to overcomp. Little. All right, during this scary movie. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Hopefully, I mean, these are, I think, very cinematic looking portraits. You saw how we can use no light for an edge, and I think it gets flat. She doesn't pop off that background. Then we tried it with a little bit of red. Red didn't really look right as the way I'd hoped it would. And then with these wands, I'm really able to change color temperature quickly. I could not, the final shot I could get to with strobe, but I would not be able to get to that shot this quickly, which is why I like continuous light for shoots like this. It's low profile, it's low impact. We're not making a big scene here with heavy equipment. Just move really, really quickly through the scene. But those final images, you guys are seeing them on the screen. I hope you'll agree. I mean, just absolutely stunning with that edge light and working it with the ambiance in the room. So get out there, create your own version of a cinematic portrait, but that's how you stand out from your competitors in a very competitive market. We'll see you in the next video.